Dear automation engineers, the statement for the current problem is that by using a sorting device, parts are to be transferred from one conveyor belt to the another conveyor belt. Now by pressing the electric push button, the piston rod pushes the blocks from one conveyor belt to the another. But when the push button is released, the piston rod should return to its initial position. We have to solve this problem with the help of electro-pneumatic. To solve this problem, we will be using these components. First of all, electric signal input plate. Number 2, electrical indicators and distributors plate. Universal cable set. Electrical power supply 24 volt. By pressing the push button switch, the electrical circuit for the solenoid coil is closed and the 3x2 way solenoid valve is activated. Now the piston rod advances to the forward head position. After releasing the push button switch, the electric circuit for the solenoid coil is opened and it triggers the solenoid valve and the cylinder piston returns to its initial position. Now we are on the profile plate. We have to push the objects only, and during returning no force is applied on the piston rod of the pneumatic cylinder. Therefore, we are going to use only single acting pneumatic cylinder. To operate this cylinder, we generally need 3x2 way single solenoid valve, but at this time I don't have 3x2 way single solenoid valve. Therefore, I will use 5x2 way valve with single solenoid. To use this valve in this solution, I will close normally open port of this DCV. I am closing the normally open port of this DCV. Now it will open when this receives the signal from the electric switches. Now the pneumatic circuit has been completed. Now let's move on towards the electronic circuit. For this we will need a electric switch, and I am having this switch box in which I am having 4 switches. 3 are push button and 1 is detent switch. Each switch having 2 connections. One is normally open and another is normally closed port. At this time I am going to use normally open contacts. So I will connect the power to this terminal and I will receive the power from this normally open port to my DCV. For the electric power, I am having this SMPS. It gives 24 volt at 4.5 ampere. This is positive terminal, this is 0 volt ground terminal. So I will connect this port to this switch as I said earlier, and I will connect this normally open port to my DCV. Now I have connected this positive terminal. For completion of the circuit, I will also connect this ground wire from here to direct to DCV. Let us first check the electric connection whether they are working or not. So for this I will open the power supply and I will check by pressing. Now I am getting signal at the DCV. If I open the pneumatic valve, the DCV is receiving pneumatic power through this portal, and if this DCV gets signal from this switch, the piston will advance. It is moving very quickly. If we use one-way flow control valve in this pressure line, we can control the speed of this cylinder also. As per the requirement of the industry, we have solved this problem. If this system is applied on those conveyor belts, it will work as per the requirement of the industry.